Hello everyone, welcome back with the fifth puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, July the 7th, 2020. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. I have drawn this immediately. So let's get started. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here and O, then O, double 1 here and O, then O. Between 2 O's comes in 1, between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1 here and O, then O. Between 2 1's comes in O. Double O here and 1 and there on 1. And then let me see. No, I cannot do anything. Yeah, between 2 1's comes an O. No. Double 1 here and O, then O. 4 O's in this column, so the rest are 1's. Between 2 1's comes an O. We have here. I need to compare, I think. Let me see. Double 1 here and O and then O. 3 Yeah. 101. Do we have 101? No. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 3 1's. If I place the fourth one here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed. One of the rules. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. 3 O's. 4 O's here in this row, so the rest are 1's. We have now 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Alright, between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 O's in this row, so the rest are 1's. Double 1 here and O, there no. 4 O's in this row, in this column, so the rest are 1's. Double 1 here and O, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1. We have 4 1's in this row, so the rest are O's. Double O here and 1 there 1. 4 1's in this row, so the rest are O's. Double O. We have 4 O's here in the last column, so the rest are 1's. Double 1 here and O there no. 4 1's, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. 4 1's, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Finish in 4 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this. Yes. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching this video. I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku, a tectonic one. So bye bye for now.